viewers, I want to show you in an experimental form the difference between wet soil and damp soil. Before I go into showing you the difference in the video form, I want to explain to you verbally what it means. A damp soil is a soil that is slightly wet, while a wet soil is a soil that is either covered with water or soaked with water. Now, an example of a wet soil can be, come closer. These are leftovers of the food eaten by the snails last night. This is actually a damp soil. You can see it by holding it. You can mold with it, and this is the best soil that you can use for your snail farming. It's called loamy soil. It's common around us, so you can easily access it. So this is actually how a wet soil a damp soil rather looks. Now I'll show you a wet soil. See, you can call this a wet soil. You can see how slippery it is. So snails cannot live in the soil like this because most times when they want to cool off. Okay, let me show you something. When they want to cool off, you see they usually go inside the soil to cool off. Bring the camera close. Yes, like this one now. It's cooling off inside the soil. So imagine a scenario whereby your snail is in a pen where the soil is as wet as what I just showed you. It will end up drowning the snails. So that is why it is most advisable that you make the soil in the snail pen to be damp and not wet. So that is actually what I want to show you about the difference between a wet soil and a damp soil. I'll cut the video.